Hi, this is King of Review. In this problem, we're asked to find 2 times a minus b plus a plus b. And we're given these two matrices here. So what is a matrix? A matrix is a rectangular arrangement of numbers in rows and columns. Row by column is how you name the matrix, and this is also its dimensions. So let's look at the matrix here in letter D. This has 2 rows, 1, 2, and it has 2 columns, 1, 2. So this would be a 2 by 2 matrix because it has 2 rows and 2 columns. So what we're going to do here is figure out what 2 times a minus b plus a plus b. And the a and b refer to the different matrices that we have. So let's set this up. We have 2 times, and within the parentheses is matrix A minus matrix B. So matrix A is 5, negative 4, 3, 2. And we're subtracting matrix B, which is 1, negative 4, negative 5, and 3. And we're adding this to matrix A plus matrix B. So we have matrix A is 5, negative 4, 3, and 2, plus matrix B, which is 1, negative 4, negative 5, and 3. So this is our expression set up. So you can see that we need to do what's in the parentheses first. So order of operations, we're going to do the parenthesis items first. So we're subtracting the 2 matrices here and we're adding them here. So to add or subtract matrices, you must add or subtract corresponding entries. You can only add or subtract matrices with the same dimensions. So let's look at matrix A and matrix B. Matrix A has 2 rows, 1, 2, and it has 2 columns, 1, 2. Therefore, matrix A is a 2 by 2 matrix. Now let's look at B. B has 2 rows, 1, 2, and 2 columns, 1, 2. So B is also a 2 by 2 matrix. Now because these have the same dimensions, we can add or subtract them. So let's do that. So we have 2 times, and what we're going to do is subtract these 2 matrices. So we're going to subtract the corresponding entries. So we're going to do 5 minus 1 because the 5 and 1 are in the corresponding position. So they're both in the upper left-hand corner or row 1, column 1. So 5 minus 1, this equals 4. Now we have negative 4 minus a negative 4, which is the same thing as negative 4 plus 4. So this equals 0. Now we have 3 minus a negative 5, which is the same thing as 3 plus 5. So this is 8. And we have 2 minus 3. 2 minus 3 is negative 1. Now we're adding this to matrix A plus matrix B. So again, we're going to add the corresponding entries. So the entries that are in the same position. So the top left, or row 1, column 1, is 5 plus 1. 5 plus 1 is 6. Now we have negative 4 plus a negative 4, and this is equal to negative 8. Then we have 3 plus a negative 5, and this is equal to negative 2. And finally, we have 2 plus 3, which is 5. So the next thing that we want to look at is this number here, the 2. We're multiplying 2 times this matrix here. When working with matrices, a real number is called a scalar. To multiply a matrix by a scalar, you multiply each entry in the matrix by the scalar. This is called scalar multiplication. So in this case, our scalar is 2, and we're going to multiply each entry by 2. So let's set that up. So 2 times 4, which is this first entry here, 2 times 4 is 8. Then we have 2 times 0, which is 0. 2 times 8 is 16. And 2 times -1 is -2. And we're adding this to this matrix here, 6, -8, -2, and 5. And now we need to add these matrices. Can we? Are they the same dimensions? Yes, they are. Both of these are a 2 by 2 matrix. Because these dimensions are the same, we can add them. So we're adding the corresponding entries. So 8 plus 6. 8 plus 6 is 14. Next, we're adding 0 plus a -8. This is -8. 16 plus a -2. This is 14. And -2 plus 5. This equals 3. So this matrix here is our answer, and this is letter A. Thanks for watching.